well, I'm kind of just seeing if this is going to continue as a short because we got another um, short setup with the Russell and the Dow. But at the same time, we also had NASDAQ and ES both come down and actually um, get that change in character for this to probably all come back up into the highs. So I held that short overnight, um, hit my first target there, and then I had a runner that I got out at a random time since I just woke up and saw that we had this move. So I just exited, but then I got in small again, just really small risk. It's just yeah, worth it for the reward based on if this is going to continue lower. But it seems like it's not because last time we did this, let's see, I think it was here, yeah, where we came below lunch on these guys and we didn't on here into this, and that's what gave us that pop back up to take out the high. So yeah, that just makes me think that's probably what's going to happen again, and um, yeah, so it'll probably just come back up into this inefficiency at the very least. If not, just be flat out bullish on ES and Nasdaq. So yeah, I didn't sleep very good today. Let me actually. So yeah, this says I slept okay, but it's worse than that because I woke up and then I didn't fall back asleep, and it thinks that I like took a nap, so I didn't. So yeah, there we go. So yeah, this is more fair than good, and it's barely good. So yeah. Um. Yeah. No, super. Really tired and wanting to nap. No news. Well, I'm on the wrong. I guess Trump speaks today. Oh, Alright, so let's see if there's any. Yeah, nothing on the 4 hour. But yeah, so it looks like it is just smaller time frame, regular time frame trading. So yeah, this is a nice inefficiency here. We'll see if this is just gonna get back up into there, which looks like it is. And then let me just make sure it's all right. So yeah, there's just this inefficiency here. Other than that, it's just higher. Like if this is really gonna bounce here, if YM takes this into this inefficiency and Russell comes and takes out this high, then that might actually be another short. But but what? Yeah, it does look like it's gonna do that. What am I gonna say? But yeah, I would feel like I would need to still see where these guys are at, just because we did get this and it's like that's totally what's causing the bounce right now. So if these guys need a bounce and Russell's up here and they still haven't taken out the high, then we may just keep going higher, and especially with the Dow Jones having these highs and now having the relative strength there. So I may just have to sit out unless we get a long opportunity, which maybe that's what's going to happen. Maybe we're going to get some sort of long. I mean, so far this hasn't invalidated, so we'll see. Thing is, it's just a wait and see until 8:30, and then I'll be open. And I don't think there's going to be like a clear trade at the open, especially since we had one overnight, and then the bounce happened into London. So it'd have to be like some sort of continuation long into 8:30. So yeah, continuation long idea into 8:30, continuation long idea maybe into the open too. Other than that, um, there may not be like my type of setup, especially with my sleep. So I think I might actually just try to take a nap today and catch up on sleep so that I can be here for the PM or something. But yeah, just the fair value gap bar. Yeah, I'm gonna get taken out here, but okay. Smooth lows. Um, I mean, these were relative equal highs, but we already got that dump. Now it's bouncing. Yeah, nothing, nothing really. And YM, there's the relative equal highs, so that's the only other thing. Yeah, I think it's just longs today. Try to get inside of this. Try to get inside of this long somehow. Doesn't seem likely that we'd come back and sweep London. That just doesn't seem plausible. Um, maybe there's a. So there was a 1 hour here that got balanced into that new week opening gap. Wow, how did I not get taking on that? That's crazy. Well, I probably will see. Looks like maybe some relative equal lows here. Yeah, we got some relative equal lows here on NASDAQ. I'll mark that out. And that would just be like an order block buy. So yeah, maybe if we get a sweep down into that. We got smooth lows here too on ES. And that's literally it for me. I think it's just gonna go higher. Bullish. Yeah, I don't like how, I mean, I'm still in the trade, but it's like relative equal highs now, so that just seems very obvious that I'm probably going to take in now. But yeah, maybe this will be like a nice little pullback area though into these relative equal highs. YM gets the delivery, and if that creates SMT, maybe that's actually a short down into these lows and then back up. Current daily and weekly biases. Small. Today's small size, max 200 bucks on like textbook setups. I'm just not thinking clear. I don't think I'm going to be executing as good. Okay, things to avoid today. Honestly, trading altogether, need to really be picky and clear and take a nap.